In a recent survey of over 500 of my customers, one of the top issues that you seem to have is keeping your supplies organized. That's what we're going to tackle today. Hi, my name is Linda Bartolucci, and I am a math-minded card maker, which means I'm great with the measurements and need a little help with the layout and how all the colors go together. But today, we aren't actually going to make cards. We are going to talk about organizing your embellishments, and I have a great free download for you to keep all your supplies organized. Let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I store my embellishments. I keep them in a 3-compartment tray. You can find a link to my Amazon store in the description below, and I have this tray linked in there. Full disclosure, this actual one is from the Container Store, but I did find a 3-compartment one that has the same dimensions on Amazon, just in case you don't have a Container Store near you, which I don't anymore. And anyway, the embellishments are stored in Avery sleeves, and I also have those in my Amazon store, so you can grab those. Almost all of the embellishments fit right in the Avery sleeve with no modification whatsoever, like these jewels right here. But some of them need to be cut down. These are the matte dots, and they're tall and skinny, so I just cut them in half and then just slide them into this sleeve. And then once I've depleted an embellishment, I just recycle the sleeve and use it again. What I don't have in here, although I do know the name of the product, I would like to know what all the colors are. And that is where my embellishment log comes in. And this we are going to fill out together for the adhesive back milky dots and for the pastel adhesive back sequins. And I'm also going to show you what I'm going to do in this case, because this guy does not fit nicely in a sleeve. And so I can show you how I just easily cut something down and get it to fit in the sleeve. This embellishment log is available for a download. There is a link below that'll tell you exactly how to get it. And now we're going to get started in filling it out. All right, this embellishment log is printed on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, but a quarter sheet, cutting here and here, does not fit in the Avery sleeve. So I made these little guidelines right here for you, because that does make it so it will fit in the sheet. You can get all nice and pretty and cut exactly around here, or you can just cut on this one and this one just to make sure that you've cut enough off. So all I'm doing is making sure that that line right there is inside the track of my cutter, and I'm going straight up right there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the, actually I'm going to turn it around because it's just easier, on the other one. I'm just going to make sure I can see the line in the track of my cutter and go straight down. Now I can also, like I said, if you want it to be a little prettier, you can go all the way around. I am going to, in the interest of time, not do that completely. I am going to cut on these two, and then I'll cut again on the other. Actually, no, I won't. You don't need to see that. Never mind. 2 is enough for our purposes today, just to show you that you can go all the way around. All right, and there we go. All right, and now we have 2 of them, and we can get started. Okay, so now we're going to fill out the embellishment log, and I'm going to need the catalog to be able to fill the color and the catalog item out. So I'm just going to shove this over here for now, and let's get these 2 filled out. In the back of the catalog, the very back, page 87, you'll find a inventory of embellishments right here. I'm going to start with the milky back dots, and they're on page 31. So we'll flip there real quick. There we go. And the milky back dots, they're not milky back dots, adhesive backed milky dots. All right, so they are the adhesive milky dots, and their item number is 160582. And it comes from the January to April mini from 2023. And the colors are Mango Melody, Night of Navy, Petal Pink, and White. All right, so one of these is done. I'm going to take it. I do believe these fit right in the sleeve, or are these the ones that are too wide? Who knows? Okay, there we go. So then I'm going to just slide my log card right in there. And then I know exactly what it is and what the colors are. The other thing you could do is just keep it in the back this way, which I think I am more inclined to do, because I can see these, and then when I take them out, I just want to confirm that I know what colors they are. So So I'm just gonna do that. I really appreciate you watching to this point in the video. I'm going to share with you how you can get that organization card to put with your embellishments in just a moment. But first, I wanted to ask a quick favor. Could you give this video a thumbs up? And if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and click that notification bell. It really helps out a small channel like this get shared more across YouTube. Let's get back to the video. Set that over there, and now we'll get the other one done. So I'm gonna go back to page 87. Remember, in the back of every catalog, you have a page or two, if it's in the big catalog, of all the embellishments. And now we're gonna do the pastel adhesive back sequins. So, and it helps if I look what page before I flip. They're on page 9, so I'm going even farther forward, thankfully on an odd page, so you can see without moving everything. Here we go. Okay, so the pastel adhesive backed sequins, that's these. And they are, okay, pastel adhesive backed sequins. Their item number is 160387. Catalog January to April mini 2023. And the colors are gold, petal pink, and balmy blue. All right, so now I do believe this one will not fit in this sleeve. I think when I tried it before I started recording, it's a little too, it's a little too wide. So all I'm gonna do is just grab some paper scissors. I'm gonna have to take this off. Sorry for the crunching. At some point anyway, just to get to these. And the nice part about the envelope is that I don't have to hold on to it all the time. I could use my paper cutter, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit off of each side. The biggest reason that I wanna keep this is just to remember what it was and have the information on the back and the name right here. All right, so I'm just gonna slide those in. I'm gonna flip this over so it slides in the back. Now I know this is skinny enough, just like this. Keep these in here. There we go. All right, and now I can take both of these. We don't need this anymore. I can bring back in my compartments, and as you can see, I can file them right there. And now there's two more in there. And when I take them out to use them, if I'm not sure what that color is, I can turn it over and it's petal pink. There we go. All right, so I am ready to fill out the rest of my embellishment logs and get organized with my embellishments. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this video inspired you to get your embellishments organized, and you can click on the link below to download the embellishment identification card that I filled out here in this video. Before you leave, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell if you haven't already. Have a great day.